you ready?
Yes.
Can I go? Okay. Don't laugh.
Damn, this shit was black.
Oh.
Can you say your name?
Can you breathe?
Ashley.
Like, can you breathe? It smells like French toast. Oh my god.
I still see dust coming out.
I'm crying.
Make sure the baby's not old.
Oh God. There.
Are you better?
Yeah, but it's still in my lungs or something.
Can you swallow water?
No, my mouth's burning. It's very minty.